Right, write 1/6 as a recurring decimal. You need to see 1/6 fraction just as that there, 1 divide by 6, okay? And when we divide, we can use the sort of division, the short division method, okay? And you'll realize straight away that you can't divide 1 by 6, can't you? Okay, because 1's a smaller number, okay? So it's going to be a decimal. So that's why I've made this quite long here. And what you'll find is helpful when they ask you to write this as a recurring decimal is to put then a decimal point there and just put a string of zeros, okay? Right? You might want to leave a gap between them because we're gonna carry numbers, so it'll be easier for us to see. Okay, you don't need too many, right? But you know, in this case here, that will be fine. Okay. So what you do then is you start here and you say, right, okay, I want to divide this by 6. 1 divide by 6. Well, you can't do it. Okay, 6 doesn't go into 1, so you put a 0 there. Okay, because it doesn't go into to 1. And then you can, because you haven't used that 1, you carry it onto the next column. Okay, so you put it there, and then that becomes a 10, right? Don't forget to put a decimal point up here as well. And then you ask yourself, right, does 6 go into 10? Well, actually, yeah, 6 will go into 10, won't it? 6 goes into 10 once, which gives me 6. And of course, then there's going to be, what, 4 left over? Okay, so I write the 4 there. That's left over. Okay. And then, okay, the 4 that's left over then, now I ask the same question, okay, 40 then. I see that's 40 divided by 6. Okay, well, 6 goes into 40, doesn't it? 6 times, which gives me 36. 6 times 6, 36, and there's 4 left over. Okay, so then we get 40, and you can see then we do the same thing again. 6 into 40 goes 6 times. That gives me 36, and I'm going to have 4 left over. You can see then it's just going to repeat like that, right? It's just going to go on and on and on. Okay, you get the idea, yeah? Okay, you see the pattern. So as a recurring decimal, it's this. It's 0.1666666 all the way to infinity like that. Okay, so you know, we can see that as a recurring decimal, then you'll write it like this, right? So you say 1/6 equals to 0.16, and you put a dot above the 6 to show that that's the value that's repeating.